Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday, one and all. Time for another Fired Up Friday. But first, let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Just go do that right now. Alrighty, oh, forgot to turn the lights on, hang on. Alright, there we go. I guess it's always nice to be able to see. I didn't get any stickers this week, unfortunately. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the drawing. See who's shout out this week. And some of these are kind of stuck together. That's not going to do. These need to be loose. Probably because they've been sitting in a can. Hey, let's go with this one here. We got CALIZONA Outdoors. Alright, his sticker's right here. Sticker right there. CALIZONA Outdoors. Good dude. Haven't seen a video from him in a while, but everything he's put up I've really enjoyed. So, of course, link will be in the description. See if I can zoom in on that. There's the sticker. He's got a cool sticker. Alright, let's get to... Alrighty. Mark, quit looking at the view screen. Let's just move it out of the way. Okay, so what we're going to do, I got some Oregon fatwood from Redneck Renegade. I have not yet to burn this one or learn how to speak. Oh man, that smells. Man, there's just something about the smell of fatwood. I mean, if they had like a incense or a candle that was fatwood, I would totally burn it. Alright, let's get sweet. So I already carved up a little fatwood off camera. Now, this is not the Georgia, this is not the stuff from Redneck Renegade, not from Oregon. But I thought I would combine them just today. And I'm using the little Benchmade knife for this. I felt like it needed a little bit more action. Man, don't you love it when all the shavings go flying? Okay. Man, I'm not on level ground today. It's kind of annoying me. Maybe I shouldn't have parked weird. Alright, that should be enough to get me going. Use my little burning place. Okay. Don't want to waste any of the goodness. Got a few shavings in there, and I'll just put the other stuff on top once I get it going. Now I'm going to be using this is a Lansky, if that will show. Kind of doubt it will. Come on, camera. It's a Lansky ferro rod I thought I'd use. I was looking for this 6-inch, half-inch one, and I saw this. I'm like, you know, I haven't used this thing in ages. I also got a little compass on there too. I forgot I had that, which you probably can't see because of stupid camera focus. I'm not a big fan of these scrapers, to be honest. But I thought I would give it another shot. Maybe I'll be surprised. There we go. God, you can hear that. Can you hear that sizzle? Dude. Nice. It's a satisfying burn, I tell you what. Not a terrible little barrel. I could almost carry that in the car. Knife worked really well. It's a little guy, but here comes a car. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I said, "Oh, here comes a car," but it was a fire truck. And I said, "Oh, fire truck!" And they actually slowed down a little when they saw me. They might have saw the smoke. So, good thing I put it out already. Didn't want to take a chance of having them come down with a hose. So rock on. That's man, that's great fatwood. That is awesome. So it was given to me by Bruce from Fab Creations, and it was from Redneck Renegade. So two gentlemen, outstanding channels. I will link both of them in the description. And as always, have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll link the knife video in the description as well in case you missed it. So have a great weekend and have a great day.